Hello world! This is an exciting news from the Entertainment Tonight. It said that Zendaya's people talking about the ring she was wearing on the finger at the Golden Globes. The Challenger star hit the red carpet solo, but her dazzling accessory diamond has sparked Tom Holland engagement speculation. And not only that, according to Just Jared News, she also sporting a new tattoo that some think is a letter T for Tom Holland and others think is an encore. Yeah, true. It's a yes. Tom Holland and Zendaya are engaged to be married and are ready and excited for this next chapter, a source tells Entertainment Tonight. Tom wanted to propose to her over the holidays, says the source, adding that the 28-year-old actor is looking to start a family with his Spider-Man co-star. He really wants to have kids and settle down. Tom recently spoke about his future as a family man to Men's Health. "When I have kids, you will not see me in movies anymore," he told the magazine. "Golf and dad and I will disappear off the face of the earth," he added. Congratulations to the happy couple. Thank you, Entertainment Tonight. Have a bright day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.